Hello, good morning, student. Today, my last topic of this chapter. We were in the last class, the point was insectivorous. Now, few plants in the insectivorous part we have taught you. और आज का टॉपिक है पिस्सर प्लांट. लेकिन हम उससे पहले जाएं उस प्लांट पर, हम पिछली बातों को कुछ रिकैप करें. देखो कि जो इंसेक्टिवोरस प्लांट्स वो इंसेक्ट को ट्रैप करता है टू फुलफिल देयर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ फूड. ऑल इंसेक्टिवोरस और all insectivorous plants, they prepare, especially those which are in green, they prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. But few plants, they do not get nitrogen to prepare their proteins. Few plants do not get the nitrogen to prepare their protein. In that is a pisser plant. There is what happens in this plant. Actually, इस plant का shape कैसा होता है? ऐसा होता है. Plant is somewhat like that. The insects, they feed to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. So the plant traps the insect to fulfill their nitrogen requirement so that with the help of the nitrogen they can prepare the protein. Examples are the pisser plant. There is a question also we have given you. What is the pisser plant? You need to explain it. So just watch how the pisser plant is and how it is looking or what it will do. Please watch. What is a pisser plant? It is insectivorous. Click करें. It is a pisser plant. It is like a ghara, right? See, the flies has come. इसके इनर वॉल्स में हेयर लाइक सब्सटेंस बना होता है इसके टैंक में. जैसे ही ये उसके अंदर जाएगा वो उससे क्या होगा, उसमें ये फंसेगा, ट्रैप होगा एंड इट विल नेवर कम आउट अगेन. इसमें लीड है ऊपर में. व्हेन इंसेक्ट लैंड्स, नाउ सी स्लोली व्हाट विल हैपन. Now it has gone in the pisser. Now insect is trying to come out, but now the insect will not be able to come out. It is trapped. Not possible. Now what will happen? The insect will be digested by the digestive juice secreted in the pisser plant. Children, you have seen that insect was trapped in that there is a small hair inside, and when insect is coming, the insect gets trapped, and the wall of the pisser plant, it will secrete the juice, and it will be digested by that. So once the insect has come, never come out. So the leaf, explain the pisser plant. The leaf aminia is modified to form a pisser-like structure. See, the leaves is modified to form a pisser-like structure. You have seen it. The apex of the leaf is modified to a lead. You can write in the form of lead. In the form of lead. The leaf is modified in the form of lead. Lead का मतलब ढक्कन होता है, किसी मटके का ढक्कन. ये तुम्हारा पिस्चर मटका है, उसमें ढक्कन की तरह उसका लीफ का अपर पार्ट मॉडिफाई हो. It can open and close the mouth of the pistil. What is the function of lead? It will open and close the mouth of the pistil. When insect lands on the pistil, the lead closes. देखो मटके के ऊपर ढक्कन है, it is a lead. When the insect enters, the lead closes it. The role of the lead is to open and close. Okay, the inner wall of the pistil having the fine hair, when the insect enters, it gets trapped, and the wall of the pistil secretes the liquid, and in that the insect is digested. Now, when the insect lands onto the pistil, the lead closes and trap the insect, get entangled, trap the trapped insect. The trapped insect get entangled in the hair inside the pistil. The insect is digested by the digestive juice secreted in the pistil. Okay? So, finally, they are able to take the nitrogen from the insect. Now, the next my heading is replenishment of nutrients in the soil. Now listen, what happens, you are using the crop, you are different types of crop. Soil has got the different nitrogen in nutrients including nitrogen and minerals. What happens, the plant when grows, you are doing the farming, they used up the nutrient present in the soil. So ultimately, after the crop, the soil become nutrient deficient. That nutrient or nitrogen is being replenished by the different types of fertilizer, sulfate, nitrates, urea, the chemical fertilizer. At the same time, the manure, which is produced from agricultural waste. So purpose of throwing the agricultural waste in the or cow dungs in the form which replenishes the nutrients of the soil and nitrogen. This work was also being done in the case of Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria also picks up the atomic atmospheric nitrogen and gives to the peas or gram plants, which remain along with their roots, these bacteria. In turn, these plants were providing the shelter to the Rhizobium bacteria. Okay? So now please write all the question answer. Write down the function of Rhizobium bacteria in the plant. Second, how the pistil plant trap insects. And third, how the replacement of nitrogen take place in the soil. Last, do other answers of question from the book. Study 12 hours daily. Okay? So I am concluding this chapter. Next class we will start with new chapter, fiber to the fabric. Till now 2 chapters is over. This and इसके अलावा एक चैप्टर कौन सा खत्म किया हो? That is Mr. Datta sir has done it. I think metal and non-metal or acid based salt. Acid based salt is covered. Okay, we will go to the next fiber to the fabric. Thank you.